fitting the handle into the snath. The snath is the main body, the whole thing. These are the handles. It'll hold like this. Blade will go down here. This will go down a little bit more. And that's the making of a snath.
Yeah. So I have here this little pot that everything went to seed and started growing in here. This was a lavender plant that died. It didn't make it, and yeah, everything started growing and looking pretty. So I'm gonna try to plant some flowers in there, but I'm gonna try to like leave that. So we got amaranth, some kind of grass or corn or something, and some dock, which I have these things everywhere, but I don't know, maybe we'll leave it and let it be a little, just a little scene. Oh, and this plant that I am not quite sure what it is. It looks like it might be related to lamb's quarters or something. So let's see if we can, oh yeah, there's a few different things in here that look interesting. So a little ash tree, a whole bunch of things that don't need to be in here, but they can, we'll see if they can stay. Usually I just dump out the whole thing completely and put new potting soil in it and stuff, but let's just see what we can do here. Pine cone. And then, all right. This here, I wonder, it could be bluebells, but it might be a violet that decided to grow. I don't know. So if it is a violet, I definitely want to let it grow. And this is something interesting. I don't know. And yeah, so let's very gently dig in here and loosen up this soil and see if we can not disturb the other plants. Right. I don't know if these even want to be planted together. We're gonna give it a little try. We can always move them if they don't like it. We can always put them somewhere else. Or maybe I could just put this. Maybe I could just put this one and put the geranium somewhere else. See if they like that. Maybe I will put this daisy and a little petunia just for added color. And then I might plant that the geranium in a different pot because it might want different things. Let me just get a little geranium to put there. Here's a little geranium. I love these plants because they're so versatile, and I feel like sometimes they're like a blank canvas. There was a summer when I just used to get geraniums at the store, all different colors, and just plant them in strange and interesting pots. And it was just really a fun excuse to get my hands in the dirt and be creative with flowers, because that's kind of still something new to me. And yeah, they're just such a simple little, they seem like such a simple little flower. You might take them for granted, but they smell really good and they're so easy to not kill. And I find that all they need is water and sunshine. And I mean, if you forget to water them, you can go back and water them and deadhead them and kind of nurse them back to health. And for me, they tend to be really easy to take care of, and I can plant them, and as long as they get enough sunlight, they seem to do pretty good. And they just smell so good. Chances are if it's summertime and you smell something really vanilla-y or something like that, it could be the petunias. All right, here we go. Let's give that a little water. I want to go ahead and water them really good because, well, I guess it did rain yesterday, so there's probably a lot of water in this pot, but the geranium was kind of dry. All right, there we go. There's a nice little wild planter of flowers. Better we'll go ahead and water these now. They rained last night, but somehow these, maybe they just dried out really fast. Mountains to full of sand.